Hey, Adam here with a simple and fast review of the WENTTUO 7-pack of long sleeve sun protection shirts. We're going to open them up, show you what they look like, try them on, test them out, and of course let you know whether or not they're worth buying. So once you get them out of the first layer of packaging, they are kind of just vacuum sealed, so you'll have to get through a second. Just make sure you have a knife or something ready to cut them open. And once you've done that, you'll see that they come in a variety of colors. So as mentioned, these are going to be 7 different colors. It's a 7-pack. I am a 6'1", 165-pound guy. I got them in mediums. I've used this brand previously, and I think this will give me the fit that I'm looking for. You're going to want to watch the rest of the video to see how they fit. Because I told you my size and how I want to show you how they fit me. The way I look, in them may not be the way you want to look at them. But anyway, here's what the fabric looks like. Please note, this is where the seams are going to be on the shoulders, front and back. Pretty standard on the sleeves and on the bottom. And again, we're going to get these washed up and try it on. But I wanted to show you kind of the different colors that it comes in. A number of different blues here. A red. We have gray. More of a charcoal and a black. So as mentioned, we'll get these all washed up and unwrinkled, if you will, and then go from there. All right, so as you can see, it fits really nice. I'm 6'1", 165 pounds. My belly button's right here. My waist is here, so there's plenty of length. And again, I'm long, and this is a medium, so fits good. If you want looser, obviously go with a bigger size, but plenty of stretchability. They feel great. Come in a variety of colors, and this is kind of exactly how I was looking to wear it. So I'm going to just show you the other colors real quick. Fits the same, feels good. Now, one thing I'd point out is I'm a relatively skinny dude, and as you can see, it's kind of form-fitting and just shows my little belly here. And again, I'm a pretty skinny dude, but just consider that as a factor on the lighter colors. And these would look great on their own, but they'd also be perfect for wearing underneath a t-shirt. So I think you get the idea. I'm not going to show the last two, but you get the feel by now of how they look. So definitely worth buying. Hopefully this review helps, and thanks for watching.